Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today's exciting because we are opening up a new fashion subscription. This is actually called Fashom and I am super excited. So what we will do today is talk a little bit about the box. I will show you the pieces I received and then I will try them on. So you can probably tell we're in a different setup. I'm in my bedroom right now. I thought I'd try this out for like my fashion videos so I can kind of move the camera around so you guys can see me better, because I know sometimes when I'm in the other room it's a little darker and it's hard for me to show everything. So trying this out, we'll see how it is. I'd love some feedback. There's some cats around here. I have a cat tree right over here, so you might hear some of that, but that's nothing unusual. There's always cats around here. So with any new subscription, we will pull up the website and learn a little bit more about it. And I forgot to mention, this video will also include a giveaway. Fashom was very kind enough to send me this box and also to provide a giveaway for you guys. So stay tuned for that. But now let's learn a little bit more about Fashom. So on their website it says, Fashom, get personally styled outfits delivered to your doorstep. This is supposed to be a more budget-friendly subscription. They told me their average price is like $35 per item, which is great because I know some people were saying my Stitch Fix is a little bit too expensive, so hopefully, since $35 is the average, that means there's some below and above it, so hopefully it can work more for you guys. But it says how it works: fill out your style profile and submit a styling request. Tell us about your style, size, and price preferences, and then submit your request to be styled. You'll hear back from us within 2 to 3 business days, and then review your selected items and pick what ships. Your stylist will send you items to review. You pick 5 items to be shipped to your doorstep. It's free shipping and returns, no subscription required. So that is true. They let me view different pieces that I could get, and I got to select 5 of them. So that is definitely unique, at least in terms of the boxes I've received, of fashion boxes. So you get to actually pick what you get. So super awesome. And like I said, free shipping and returns, no subscription required. Another huge plus, because I know a lot of people don't want any recurring payments or anything like that. And I know your very first fix is, or I said fix, sorry if I keep saying that, your very first styling session is free. So that is great. So I got this sent to me for free, but I would have anyways, because everyone's first styling session is free. And then after that it is $15. But the next step, so step 3 is keep what you love and send back the rest. Try on your hand-selected items and keep what you love. We send you prepaid envelope for easy returns. Only pay for what you keep. So when you use my link below, you will get $20 as credit, and again, it is free for your first pick. And also the way to enter the giveaway is to create a profile with them through my link. That is how they will know. So I am going to leave the full details for the giveaway down below that they sent me. So this is through Fashom, not me. So let me read you some of the rules. So the drawing entries are valid from today up until a week from now, so the 22nd this closes. And it's for individuals that are 18 or older and have a mailing address in the US. If you do not live in the US, don't worry, we're getting close to 6,000 subscribers on our channel, so I will have an international giveaway super soon, hopefully, so look out for that. Don't be too sad. So it says, yeah, just the users need to request a styling session using your link, and then one winner will receive a $50 credit to Fashom. So not only will you get that like $20 from signing up, you'll get an additional $50 to you. So that is super awesome. So if you're interested in this, want to win some money for your fashion to upgrade your wardrobe, definitely take advantage of that. Again, all of the details will be down below. So just a little bit more information about Fashom that I think is great. So they are more budget friendly than others. You get to select items before they ship to you. So we already talked about those 2 huge pluses. But then they also talk about how their vendors are ethically sourced from around the world. So if you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you also get a 25% off discount and 30% off discount if you keep all 5. So you don't have to keep all of your items to get a discount. So those are all unique things. I love that they have ethically sourced items, and that you can keep 3 items and save 25% or 30% if you keep all of them. So all the other fashion services I have received in the past, you had to keep all 5 items to get any sort of a discount. So that is super awesome. So I just wanted to share with you guys all of that about what makes Fashom a little bit more unique. But now let's get into the fun part. Let's open my box, see what pieces I received, and then I will try them on for you. When I open up my box, this is what I see. There's something here that says, "Hello, beautiful." Like that, hello. Let's see what this says. So on here there's a note. It says, "Hi Kitty, your first Fashom styling box has arrived. In this box I have selected an outfit for you consisting of chic, trendy, and colorful clothing items that will be great new additions to your summer wardrobe. I hope you love these fun styles and I know you're going to rock them. I'm your stylist, Morgan." And then it talks about all of the items in here and their pricing, and also it tells me if I keep all 5, like what the 30% discount I will receive. And then it talks about the referral program, which I told you, so you guys would get $20 credit if you sign up through my link. So awesome. So the highest price is $46. So it ranges from $37 to $46. So much more affordable than my recent Stitch Fix. So that is great. So I am going to show you the pieces. So on top here is the mailing envelope to send anything back that I do not wish to keep. So here is the first item. Loving the colors so far. I'm going out to lunch after I film, so I'm really hoping one of these pieces works out. This is beautiful. So this is by Mochi by Purple Rain, and it is a sleeveless dress, which is perfect for Florida weather. So it looks like it's about like knee length. I love that there's a V-cut and it's a little like a bit cinched in the front. This is super cute, and I think I will definitely like this one. So I will try this on again shortly. So this is the floral fit and flare dress. It is $46, which I think is a good price for a dress. So I am really excited to try that on, and hopefully it works for me. Next up, it looks like we have another dress, right? Is this a dress or a shirt? I think this is like a t-shirt dress. This is by MTS, and this is super cute, like blue color. This is like super casual and nice. Yep, this hits right around the knee as well. You can see there's like the little cross here, so I like that detail in the front. I really like that style too for like when I'm filming videos, because you guys can't see like a full dress, but you can see the top, so that would be great. I'm sorry, I'm just like in a tank top and shorts right now, getting ready to try on clothes. Sorry if you can like see my bra strap and all that this whole video, my bad. Next up is a top, and this is another super cute one. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price of that other piece. So the other, the thing I just showed you was the Minnow Shop Bamboo Crisscross Neck. It's a pocketed dress. Cool, I didn't realize that at first. And it is $39. Awesome. And it feels really nice too. I didn't mention that. And this feels nice as well. This is a t-shirt, and it's sleeveless, which is perfect because it's super hot here in Florida. And it also has that like cross design in the front. How would you describe that? I really like that. So this is awesome. So this is by Panamax, the floral print Lattice V-neck sleeveless top, and it is $37. Awesome. I'll probably try the top on first just because I'm wearing shorts right now, and then try on the dresses. And I think this is another shirt. Yeah, this is just like a comfy blue top. Love it. B Stage royal blue. And this has that like unique design actually on the sleeves, if you can see right here. I love this color blue. I was just talking about that the other day on my last fashion video. I love blue. This is perfect for like every day. Love it. This is the B Stage shoulder with crisscross top. Okay, so a crisscross design. And this is $38. And then, last but not least, let's see what we have here. Is this another dress? I love dresses. I did take a peek, like I said, at the items a while ago, but I just forget, you guys know. This is super cute. So another sleeveless dress, perfect for Florida. So you can see it kind of like cinches at the waist, which I really like, and this design is super pretty. And this again, like this hits a little bit above the knee, I would think, once I put it on. So let's read about this. The staccato halter neck floral print dress, and this is $44. So the total for all of these is $204. If I keep all 5, I save $61.20, which is 30%. So the total will be $142.80, which I think paying $142 for 5 things is great. So I'm hoping all of these work out for me, but I am going to move the camera a little bit and then I will try on these pieces. So you guys can let me know down below what your thoughts are. If you like them on me, all of that, but I will be right back in my first item. All right, so here is that blue top. And I really like this. This is like super comfy and I love the detail on the side. Super cute. I love the fit on the arms too. Like I'm kind of self-conscious about my arms. I've been working on them a lot lately, but still like this is super comfy. It's not too tight at all. I love how it fits. I think it's very flattering and I love the color. I'm gonna back up. Sorry if it's hard to hear me when I'm all the way back here. But I think it looks good with shorts. It's not too tight anywhere. It's super comfy. And again, this is the B-Stage shoulder with crisscross top and it's $38. So far, I really like this. I feel like I could get a lot of use out of this. Like it's an everyday type piece. I'm like loving the arms and how they fit me. Sometimes with these kind of things, I'm worried they're gonna be too tight and stuff like that, but this fits well. So I'm gonna try on the other top and I'll be right back. Right, here is the second top. And again, I like the fit of this a lot. It's so soft and comfortable. And I do like this like crisscross top that makes it unique. I think this will look really good when I film. Like it fits, it hits perfectly on my shorts. I really like it. So just normal back. Yeah, this is going well so far. I love the fit of it. And I think this is so cute. So let me just remind you of the price because I already forget. So this is $37. And it seriously feels like really good material. I know like some people might think $37 is a lot for a top, but this just feels so nice and good quality. So now I am going to go and try on the dresses. All right, so here is the first dress. It's a little tight, like in the boob area. I had to take off my bra and that made it a little bit better. But I do think it's really fun, especially for like Florida, and I like the cut. Like it's not like too revealing or anything like that. And I like how it hits right at the knees, you guys can see. So I like it. I don't love how it's tight in the boob area, but it's not like too tight. It's not too tight like in the arms or anything like that. I could probably use a size up. I think this is a medium just because this fit up here. And this is $46. So here is this like short dress that has pockets, which I really like. And I love how this fits and feels too. It's like so soft and comfy and I love that there are pockets. And I like how it has this like unique cut up here. I think this would be good for like filming it in, and it's just so comfy to wear like day to day, you know? I really like this. And this one hits like above the knees. I feel like I'm having such better luck with like the fit and style of this box compared to Stitch Fix. I have to stop comparing, but like, I mean, it's smart to compare, I guess, to know your options. So this is $39. I love that it has pockets, but all right, I'm gonna try on the last dress. All right, so here's the last dress and I really like it, and I'm kind of glad I put this on last because I might keep it on for when I go out to lunch in just a moment. But I did take off my bra just because the cut of the top, and it's fine. I feel like it's not super obvious since there's like another layer underneath this. It's more fitting, like a slip kind of in a way. But I like how it's like cinched right here at the waist. So I think that's flattering. And I like the floral print. I think it's very cute for summer. Yeah, I don't mind that, you know, I don't have to wear a bra, but you can also just wear a strapless bra or like pasties or something like that. There's like a little button keyhole type closure in the back. I was able to button myself really easily. Sometimes that is a struggle. It's a little bit shorter than the other dresses. It's above the knee, but it's not too short or anything like that. It's very comfortable, fits me really well. I am really digging this box, you guys. Do you guys like this on me? I like it. So what is this price? So this is the $44 dress. So it's like the cheaper of the dresses, I think. Or no, it's like in the middle. So yeah, so everything if I keep will be $142.80. And besides that one dress being like a little tight in the chest area, I really like everything. So this is great. I'm definitely happy with this box. So much happier than any other styling box I've ever received. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts. Hopefully I'm making a good decision wearing this out today, but I kind of like it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts down below on what items you like. If you're interested in creating a style profile and getting entered into that giveaway and also getting $20 and potentially an extra $50 to Fashom, check it out, because a $50 like gift card or whatever for them actually goes a long way, because all of my pieces were under $50. So you could get this dress for free or whatever else you like. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.